happy campers. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2023 Keystone Cougar 29BHL. But before we take a look, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell notification so you get updated on all of our future videos. Now, let's take a look. Before we take a look at the entertainment side, check out these awesome LED lights and how vibrant these are on the front cap of this camper. Now we're over here on the entertainment side of this camper, and just keep in mind that we are on the lot showing this off right now, so we are really close to the other campers. That's why it's a little tight in the squeeze right here. But on this side, you have this nice awning that spans all the way to the end, covers that door, so if it's raining or anything, or just a hot sunny day and you want to keep nice and shaded and coming in and out of that door, that is perfect for that. We also have the LED lights over on this side of the camper too, nice and vibrant, perfect for all your activities out here. We also have the speakers outside. You can turn your music on, have a good little party out here. And let's check out the outside kitchen. Out here you have your outside kitchen. It comes with a nice little fridge, and this model actually has a capital griddle, but just remember these things can change, but this is what we have on this specific model. And it has plenty of room for all your cooking. You want to come out, have a little breakfast or lunch, whatever, perfect for that. And let's check out the storage. The outside storage of this camper is a massive space full of all the room that you need for any of your items you want to take to the campground. Also, on that side, you have your convenience bay with all the little buttons and things you need for when you get to the campground. It also features your auto leveling system to help you level your camper just the way you need it. And down here you have this nice flooring, which is something really cool about this camper. It's easy to clean, and this flooring has grips in it, so when you're out moving, all your stuff is gonna stay in place. You also have some plug-ins over here, anything you might need to plug in, and lights to show off everything down here, and just a ton of space in this one. Now let's look at the inside. When you first walk in, you have your touchscreen in-command control panel. This control panel is, honestly, I really like this because it is the touchscreen. With this one, you can control your air conditioning, your lights. It also allows you to move the slides, has all your settings on there, and it also shows you your battery, your water pump, and all your other things that you're gonna need inside of the camper. Now, let's check out the dinette. Over here is the nice L-shaped dinette. This dining area is full enough for the whole family. There's plenty of space, enough room for everybody to eat. You're not pressed for space or thinking you're gonna hit each other. This table also goes down, allowing these to come out, and it opens up for another sleeping space. Above here, we have some more storage, enough for anything you think you're gonna need while you're out on the campground. And this camper actually comes with a mirror, a nice little decoration, nothing you're gonna have to add in. And it actually makes it seem more open, and it also is just a nice little touch. Now, let's move over to the kitchen and take a look. Over here in your kitchen space, you have lots of countertop space, perfect for all your meals you're gonna be having out at the campground. We also have a microwave, stovetop, and a nice little oven, plenty of cabinets under the sink. Perfect space for anything under there. You can slide your trash can in, just open up a little more space to throw everything away. You also have your sink up here, nice cabinets up here. I like how this is clear, let you see all your dishes, anything you have in there. Also, we have the entertainment space right off of the kitchen. You have your nice little fireplace over here, nice and toasty, allow you to warm up while you're watching a movie. You also have your indoor-outdoor speaker and entertainment center right here. This actually hooks up to those speakers outside to allow you to listen to your music indoors or outdoors, whatever you want to do. We also have a good-sized smart TV up here, and let's take a look at the slide over here where we're going to be watching that TV from. In one of the two slides that we have in this camper, you have this nice little reclining seat. I love these seats. They're actually so comfortable. Sometimes when I'm getting a little tired in here, I'll sit down, take me a little break. Also over here, we have a nice fridge, plenty of room. Also, I also put my favorite energy drink in there. Very good, plenty of space. You have anything you might want in there. Also, good freezer space. Put your ice cream in there, your popsicles, whatever you might want. Now, let's take a look at my favorite part of this camper. Right off of your entertainment space, you have this nice little door, and come on and let's check out what's inside. This camper features the most unique bunk room. It's so fun and very versatile. We have this desk, perfect for mom and dad if they're working from home, or if you have some little ones that go into school and need to do their homework back here. This area is perfect for that. It also has a little door, allows easy storage if you want to bring stuff inside, or if the little ones just want to hop out that little door, that's perfect for that as well. Another thing is this bench is a good storage space, and it's easy to slide out and use it as more seating for your dinette. And the cool thing is this desk also pulls down into another sleeping space. Also on the side of this, there's more storage, allowing for anything you might want to put in there, pillows, extra blankets, schoolwork for when this is up into a desk, or anything you think you might need back here. Also down here on this level, you have charging outlets, and this one actually has USB ports too, so if you don't have your block to plug anything in, you can just plug that right into the wall. We also have plenty of lights back here, and you can't forget the bunks up here, allowing for all the space for your kiddos. You have as many as you want back here. They can squeeze up here, but there's also lots of room, so they're gonna have a lot of fun in this area. Now, let's check out the bathroom. Over here in the bathroom, you have lots of space in this area, and you have your porcelain foot flush toilet, nice open shower, and the shower actually has little shelves, plenty of room for your shampoo, your soap, and a seat if you need to sit down in the shower. We also have plenty of storage over here, enough room for all your extra items, your toothbrush, your towels, all that is going to fit in this space. We also have a towel rack over here. You have your nice little sink over here, plenty of room. Also, if you need to get in here, you need to brush your teeth and anything, you're gonna have lots of room for that. You have plenty of storage in the mirror, and under the sink, there's also a couple more drawers and storage under the air. Now let's move on to the master and check that out. Back here in the master bedroom, you have plenty of space. The walk around room in this area is honestly like no other. Plenty of space to move. You can also carry your suitcase with you, and you're not going to be bumping into anything. You have plenty of space back here. We also have more storage above the bed. We have some outlets back here, and like I mentioned in the bunk room, you have those USB ports back here too. That's very helpful because some things only need a USB port and not the actual plug. We also have more space over here, like I said, and over here in the closet area, you have a couple mirrors, you have storage, and plenty of drawers for all of your stuff. You can fit your suitcase in there, your clothes, your shoes, anything you think you're gonna need. If you're loving this 29BHL as much as we are, make sure you give us a call or visit us online at cookevilleRV.com, where your adventure awaits.